Hi, I'm Erez. I'm with Terra Oracle AI. We are in Agritechnica in Hanover 2025, presenting the latest soil scanner. We have a patent pending dual sensor soil scanner, which uses gamma radiation together with optical scanner. The optical scanner we are using to measure the soil color, the soil texture, and vegetation index, which we combine together with the gamma to create high-resolution nutrient maps for the soil. Over here we can see our client portal. Right here the farmers can see the results for the soil analysis. So we can see all the soil properties, pH, bore, iron, magnesium, anything which is being measured from the calibration samples. In this part we can see NDVI. We have access to NDVI data from 5 years, so you can see the vegetation phases and you can compare the different elements in the soil with the vegetation index. In this part right here, we can see our weather information. So you can see different parameters like sprayability, water balance, temperature, GDD, crop stress, and more. Everything with 5 years history and with the forecast. In this part right here, we can see the variable rate application maps. These files we can upload directly to John Deere Operations Center or CNA Job Center for variable application map to apply the fertilizer in different zones in different amounts. The real key of our technology and the real innovation lies right here in the bottom. As you know, this is a lot of information. Even for a medium-sized farm, you have so many fields with so much information, it's impossible to understand what to do. This is why we created the Terra Oracle AI Advisor. This AI knows everything about your field, everything about this agronomy, all the things that we show, and you can talk to it in a natural language and ask it anything. I will show you now a live demonstration of the Terra Oracle AI Agronomic Advisor.
Hello, I'm your Terra Oracle AI Advisor for Field 57. How can I help you today?
Can you please review the latest soil analysis result and tell me briefly what is the best opportunity you can find for this field?
Sure thing. I'll pull the latest soil analysis data for Field 57 and identify key opportunities. Let's get that data now. Here's the quick take. The field has low pH and magnesium in most areas, while phosphorus and calcium are very high. Organic matter is also high across most of the field.
Can you compare the areas with low pH with the 5 years NDVI and tell me if you can find correlation between areas with low pH and low productivity?
Understood. I'll compare the low pH areas with 5 years of NDVI trends to check for any correlation between low pH zones.
This task for a human agronomist would take about a month.
NDVI time series for those low
and
pH
the AI agronomist is doing that in a second.
The low pH
so we are closing the gap between data and actionable information.
Over the past 5 years, indicating a correlation. 2.
Can you check the weather forecast for next week and tell me which day is best for spraying nitrogen? And please answer in German.
Sicher. Ich schaue mir gleich die Wettervorhersage für die nächste Woche an und suche.
We believe that the language is very important to bridge the gap between the farmer and our information.
Leider zeigt die Prognose für die nächste Woche gar keinen geeigneten Sprühtag an.
Terra Oracle AI Agronomic Advisor is closing the gap between a lot of information to actionable items. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more information, please check our website, terraoracle.ai.